we just had somebody drop a sled off to us. We're going to do a little bit of work on it for him. He was getting a bad vibration. He said all of a sudden it just started vibrating. He didn't know why. So I went over and I grabbed the clutch side and it was moving a little bit. And then we grabbed the magneto side and pulled, and the whole engine was moving up and down about an inch. And this whole motor mount here was loose. One of the bolts was broken off, and the other one here, you can see this one was really loose. And I just re-threaded it and tapped it, and we're still doing one of these. So I'm probably going to actually oversize that, or maybe I'll put a thread maker in there, not sure yet. I haven't made up my mind, but I'm just going to show you what I do to get that broken kind of bolt out of there. I just tuck this paper towel in behind because that in there is a magnet. There are a bunch of magnets in there, and all those little filings, if they get in there and they get inside the stator and the rotor, then you're going to run into problems, shorting and all that. This one's actually not that bad. You just find the center of that baby right there. Do one of these. Make yourself a little punch mark. Got a small bit. I'm going to start this. Wear your safety glasses. I'm not just going nuts with this thing, trying to hammer it through as fast as I can. Wandered on me a little bit. It's okay. It wanders on you, but you can sort of straighten it out slowly. Don't show my wife this video that I'm not wearing glasses. She'll get really mad. You've been to the hospital before. There we go. I'm right through that now. Little red case. Right there. Drill bit extractor, 10-piece left-hand cobalt bits. And you can tell that I've used this kit before because number 3, the reverse drill bit is gone. That's okay. We'll try this. Can you give me enough meat? Oh yeah. Let's see. There we go. I didn't even have to add heat to that. That's it. A lot of people ask me about this. How do I get a broken stud out or a broken bolt out? And that's a hardened bolt as well. That's as easy as it is. That one worked out very well. Sometimes when you're doing manifold bolts, I've had to do, geez, I forget how many. I had 6 or 8 of them on my Land Cruiser years ago. Wasn't a good time. That's it. That is how to remove a broken bolt with an easy out. Very easy, simple. We're also going to swap out his pistons. There was a lot of piston play in there. So he gets new pistons as well. And his reeds are done. Simon asked, why would the reeds go? Well, it's because they move a billion times. Every time you touch that throttle, they're moving. You can see it's all buggered up.
Hold on.
Let's see that. They move fast and they move many times. These new reeds too. Right on. Okay, let's get this done. Oh, and you never know. Here, we'll show you this as well. You never know what you're dealing with. Checked out this head. Looks like somebody machined that baby too. Yeah, numbers are a little ground down there. Never know what you're buying from people, eh? But it ran good. It's got the Jaws pipe on it. Runs like a beast. Thanks for watching. Let's get this done.